everybody should go back. They should go back to Isese. They should go back to their origin. Yes. Everybody, we are born either Ologun, Olosun, Oloya, Ologun. Everybody. They should stop hiding themselves. They should stop pretending. Hey, the blood of Jesus. Now I call the blood of Jesus. Did Jesus Christ strike my head now? Yes. I came to this Orisha Osun Children. I was going to pray on my mom, no? So, what do you want to ask me? I'm ready to answer you.
Okay, you want to ask a question?
Anything? Yeah.
Okay. So nice to meet you. What's your name?
I'm Ore Ondo State.
Okay, you came all the way from Ondo State to this place?
Yes, I came all the way from Ondo State. Already I've come all the way from Port Harcourt.
Okay. So why are you not here?
I'm here to come and greet my mom. You know,
okay.
Because I'm purely, properly Orisha. I'm a water priestess.
Okay.
I was born in it, I dwell in it, I eat with her, I do everything with my mom. So without water, there are nobody in this world.
Okay.
So I come to jubilate.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So are you happy to be here now?
I am very, very so excited being here.
So what do you have to say to other women who are not associating themselves with our Orisha?
Yes, what I have to tell them is that everybody should go back. They should go back to Isese. They should go back to their origin. Yes. Everybody, we are born either Ologun, Olosun, Oloya,
Ologun.
Everybody. They should stop hiding themselves. They should stop pretending. Hey, the blood of Jesus. Now I call the blood of Jesus. Did Jesus Christ strike my head now? I have no problem with Jesus. Even Jesus, you understand? Walk with water. Do everything with water. So I acknowledge Jesus Christ as one of the messengers,
yes.
Of Almighty. But this we are doing has been of the old. We cannot play with our ancestors. So I did not play with it, and I am happy. My children, my great-grandchildren, everybody that as long as you come from this my womb, you surely serve water.
Okay.
Because I have no problem with water. With water, no water, can this cloth be clean?
No.
Without water, will you wash your clothes?
No.
Will you build a house?
No.
So why are we cleaning ourselves? Some people will say, I shall buy the spirit of water. How can you buy the spirit of water when you are drinking water? How can you say you buy the spirit of water when you drink with water? When you cannot do without water? So I am happy, I am very, very happy and well excited.
Okay.
You can see?
Yeah.
These are my people.
Yeah, people, they are here
happy.
with you.
So
okay.
Like seriously.
Okay. Please, maybe you can say your own as well. Are you a man or a woman?
Man and woman. Well, I'm a woman.
Okay, you're a woman, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. So what do you have to say? Why are you here to?
Well, let me speak Yoruba. I'm an outcast.
Okay.
But I will speak Yoruba.
You're an outcast?
Yeah.
From where?
I'm from America.
From America?
Yes.
Wow, yeah, now.
But I will speak Yoruba.
Oh, yeah, speak
so that
Yoruba.
you people will know that. Hey, you better say I love this Yoruba very well.
Okay, good. Yeah.
Okay.
Ore Yeye
Osun o.
Kí wàá pọ̀ ọdún èmi o.
Okay.
Àṣeyí ṣàmọ́dún o.
Abẹ́rẹ́
Okay.
Àṣàmọ́dún ṣẹ̀mí o.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni èmi.
Ṣé rí gbogbo àwa tá a fọdún tá a fi ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ sílẹ̀? A ti sọ nǹkan nù.
Ṣé ti gbọ́?
A ti sọ nǹkan nù.
Òyìnbó ló ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀
Ṣé rí
yìí o.
nǹkan tí a sọnù àmọ́? Ẹ jẹ́ ká padà sílé. Ẹ jẹ́ ká padà sílé o. Ibi báyìí ni wọ́n ti bí bàbá mi lóòótọ́. Ṣùgbọ́n ìyá mi from Miami. From Miami. And àwọn akọ̀kọ̀ tó ń pè ní ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. A mọ̀ dáadáa ju àwọn ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà Nàìjíríà lọ. So I'm decision. Go back to our. Go back. Don't pretend. Don't pretend. Forget about pretend. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sí gbọ̀ngbọ̀ngbọ̀n. Ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ kọ́ta gbé dání.
Abẹ́rẹ́.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká mọ̀ kọ́ta ń sọ.
Òyìnbó pòwe.
Thank you very much.
Òyìnbó
Ẹ̀yin náà kọ́
pòwe.
ẹ̀yin náà kọ́ ṣe lè bá wa sọ̀rọ̀.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni,
Ó yá.
orúkọ tèmi ni Omitobi
Okay.
Owatomilola, Isese Lagba.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
I was born and brought up in a Muslim background.
Oh, go.
My father was a Christian.
Okay.
But I found myself here. It was not in my lineage, but Orisha gbá mi mú, Orisha wá mi wá,
Okay.
Orisha wá tún tèmi ṣe. Ṣé
Òrìṣà
rí
tún tèmi ṣe náà o.
nǹkan tí mo ní
Ṣe o.
láti sọ ni wípé kí gbogbo èèyàn ká padà sídìí ìṣẹ̀ṣe. Ìṣẹ̀ṣe làgbà.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Kò dìgbà tí òrìṣà bá ń nà wá ká tó mọ̀ wípé ó yẹ ká padà
Ká
síbẹ̀.
padà.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, ọkọ mi.
Okay.
Ṣé rí kò ń ṣe gbogbo ìgbà náà ni Lord of Jesus. Can we dwell without water?
No.
I wonder.
You cannot even live without water.
Very good.
And there are a lot of things that are happening that people are thinking like, olóríṣà ni wọ́n. I don't want to associate
Or
with
they are
them.
illiterate.
I'm a graduate
Very good.
and I'm a police officer.
Oh.
I am for the officers.
And I am a confirmed priestess.
Oh,
I'm a
good.
goddess.
Yes.
Good.
I am olókun.
Good.
Ajé olókun asọ̀rọ̀.
Olórí agbálagbó ló ní o.
I have been experiencing this since I was young.
Yeah.
But we have been going from one mountain to the another. Fish will come, butter will come.
Oh.
Even I will meet beads on my body.
Wow.
Am I the one that put it there?
No.
They put it. They want me to serve them.
Yeah, of
And
course.
I am here serving them.
Yes.
Yeah.
I am here eating with them.
Oni
And
Yeah.
they are not doing bad to me.
Yes.
I
Yeah.
am blessed to be an Olorisha.
Yeah,
Thank
very
you
good.
so much.
Now, sorry, let me ask you this. You know, the way these Abraham religion followers are telling us that we all enter hellfire because
It's a
we
lie.
follow our
Have
Orisha.
you
What do you
ever
have to say to
seen
that?
anybody that go to heaven and come back and
Let
tell
them
you,
go and
this
tell
is
us.
the religion, this is the certificate.
Yes.
The religious certificate they use to enter heaven.
But
You
you
see
are
many
hearing about
pastors
Orunmila.
enter
Of course, we know Orunmila. Orunmila is our prophet.
You see many pastors
many
going
followers.
astray.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
And when we
Bàbá
see
kékeré ò kẹ̀kẹ̀tì.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
when we talk
Going
when we
astray.
talk about
You see many
Christian,
imams
when
going
we talk
astray.
about
Most
Muslim,
of
Yes.
them, they go back to their origin.
then we ask them
Wọ́n ní
that
tí a bá bímọ ẹ lọ wò pẹ̀lẹ́ sí ẹ̀ wò.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Kí ẹ lè mọ nǹkan tí ó jẹ́ lọ́jọ́ ọ̀la.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. You will say your.
Òrìṣà ó dẹ̀ pé.
Olóríṣà ni mí.
Very good.
Rádíò ṣàmì. Ó jẹ́ pé ọ̀dẹ̀
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
tún ní kí n má ṣiṣẹ́ ìjọba.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
It doesn't mean I should not practice my profession.
Very good.
Ṣé you understand?
Very good.
So being here, it's a grace.
Very good.
And I am happy to be here. And
Thank
I
you.
am happy to be who I am today.
Very good.
I will forever be proud of who I am.
Yo. Thank you. You wanted to do something? Wanted to do something about Orunmila?
yes, I'm saying something about that.
Okay.
I said Orun ló mẹ́ni tó máa là.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, Orunmila tún máa là.
Orun ló mẹ́ni tó máa là.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
So leave them alone.
Yo, thank you.
Let them judge.
Very
But
thank you.
then,
Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay.
Àìrọ́wọ́ ṣe mọ́lẹ̀ ló dààmú wọn. Ẹgbẹ́ ìṣòyà ni o, lọ́wọ́ ló ṣàbí o. Ẹjọ́ ìṣòyà ni o, lọ́wọ́ ló ṣàbí o. Lọ́wọ́ ló ṣàbí o, nílé ló ṣàbí o. Ẹ bá bú wa, ẹ bá jẹ wá. Àìrọ́wọ́ ṣe mọ́lẹ̀ ló dààmú wọn. Ẹjọ́ ìṣòyà wọn o.
Ẹja ṣoṣà wá o.
Òrìṣà ní gbèmí, ìmọ̀lẹ̀ ní gbèmí o.
Òrìṣà
Ìmọ̀lẹ̀ ní gbèmí o. Òrìṣà ní gbèmí o. Ìmọ̀lẹ̀ ní gbèmí o. Òrìṣà ní
Thank you
gbèmí
very
o.
much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.